With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We have to be very careful with the coaxial cable. Always lift it from the metal part. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.